People who constantly sniff during conversations are often very shrewd and meticulous in their actions. They like others to join them in their interests, but usually lack confidence and feel insecure. In unfamiliar environments, they act cautiously, revealing their anxiety through frequent sniffing. When talking to strangers, they speak in low tones and use nasal sounds, staying vigilant and not easily exposing their weaknesses. When interacting with such individuals, it is essential to eliminate their distrust as much as possible. Otherwise, effective communication may be impossible, and there could even be a risk of harm.